Hi guys, Replayer here, and this is not the end. If you have an extra 2 minutes, let me show you one thing more. I want to run some short performance tests that will dispel any possible doubts you may have about the best optimization on the market. Make no mistake, that's not just a marketing slogan. It's 100% true. So let's dive in. Here is our example footage. And here's where we want that transition to happen. Let's give it a try with lens zoom. 6 seconds. Awesome. Now pixelation zoom. 9 seconds. Now it's time for glitch. Only 3 seconds. Flat. Okay, here it's a little longer. 17 seconds. Warp. Less than 2 seconds. Light leaks. 3 seconds. Okay, I guess you've already got the idea. Render is really fast. Obviously, you will get different results when you render on different hardware, or if you try a 4K video instead of Full HD. And as you may have noticed, some transition categories don't have lightning fast render speeds, but most transitions really do render quickly. So now you've actually seen that my transitions pack is a real time saver. No old school placeholder shots, just an awesome drag and drop method. And most importantly, you'll get excellent transition quality that's equal to After Effects, and the best performance optimization among other transition packs. Also, please don't forget about the 14 pre-made screen resolutions included in the project. Plus, you can resize the project to any resolution you want, so you will never lose when buying my pack, that's for sure. And last but not least, you'll get unlimited free updates when you buy my project. My pack started with only 100 plus transitions, and at the current time, it's more than 700. Now, that's the end. Bye-bye.